expanded notation. And the little helpful hint that I can give for you when you see the words expanded notation is if you think about what the word expand means. When you hear the word expand, what does that mean? Something expands, it, Calvin, grows bigger. So what we're doing today has something to do with growing bigger or looking bigger. Okay, and that's what expanded notation is. It is taking a number like 5,600 and really telling what each digit really means. Because wherever the digit is really what it stands for. For example, this 5, it would look like this. This 5 is in what place? It's in the thousands place. So when you write it in expanded notation, you put 5 times 1,000 because the 5 is in the thousands place. You put it in a parenthesis, so that stands for the 5,000 that the 5 stands for. Okay, then you put an addition sign. To that, you're adding what the next digit is. The 6 is in what place? It's in the hundreds place. So there's some dancing music. I always turn it off. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to do the zeros. So this right here. This right here is written 5,600 in expanded notation. Okay, let me give you another example. Let's not go there, let's go here. Let's say you've got 7,024, and you're to write that in expanded notation. Each digit that's not a 0 is going to get a parenthesis. Okay, so this 7 is again in the thousands place, so you need to put that parenthesis plus. You skip the 0, but you go to the 2. What place is the 2 in? It's in the tens place, so it's 2 times 10. And then the last one you have is the 4 times 1, because it's in the ones place or the units place. This is written in expanded form, or expanded notation, if you will. How about one for you to try? What if this was yours? 706. Write that in expanded form for me. Or expanded notation. What do you get if you write 706 in expanded notation? And again, this is a good one to have examples in your notes because you say this is easy now, but in another week, you'll look at it, I'll give you a quiz and you'll go, I don't know what expanded notation is. So all you need to do is see an example of it. It's pretty clear what it is. Jacob, what is 706?
7 times 100.
7 times 100.
Plus 6 times 1.
6 times 1. Okay. Now, in addition to doing that, boys and girls, you also have to be able to work from expanded notation back to what we call standard form, which is what we normally write it in. For example, if you see something like this, 8 times 10,000 plus 6 times 100 plus 8 times 10. Okay, that's an expanded notation. If I ask you to write that in standard form, which is the way we normally write something, how are you going to do that? Well, let me give you a little helpful hint here. This is my suggestion to you so that you get it right. Okay, you know this is going to be your first digit on the left. The 8 is in what place? It's in the 10,000s place, right? So that means you're going to have a digit in the thousands place, in the hundreds place, in the tens place, and in the ones place. if I were you, I would put those blanks down, because what'll happen if you don't put the blanks down, you'll just write down these two digits here and they won't end up in the right places. Okay, the 6 has to go in the hundreds place. Well, which place is the hundreds place, Evan?
Second to last.
Which one? Stop me when I get by it.
Duh.
That's the tens place.
Or no. After the comma.
Yeah, right there. The 6 goes in the hundreds place, so what goes here? Here you have to fill in with the 0. And the 8 is in the tens place, so it goes here, and you still need to fill in this blank with the 0. And if you don't put those blanks there, a lot of times you'll forget to put this one there, or you'll just put 8, 6, and 8, and that's not right, because that's only 868. It's 80,680. Okay? Another one, what if I have 5 times, well, let's go 10,000 again, plus 6 times 1,000 plus 7 times 1. Write me the standard form of that expanded notation thing there. What would that be in standard form? Who thinks they got a shot at it? Sammy, what do you got here? Well, give me the digits. 5, 6, 0, 0, 7. And that would be it. And again, I'd recommend as you do this that you write the 5 down. You know, again, it's in the 10,000s place, so there have to be these blanks after it. 6 is in the thousands place, 7 is in the ones place. The rest of them are zeros there. Anybody think they got troubles or issues with that? One more? How about this one? 9 times 100,000.
What? We're getting bigger and bigger.
You are in 5th grade now. Plus 3 times 10,000. And that's it. Jot me down what number that would be. What would be that number in standard form? Mr. Peter Pavia.
900.
Well, give me the digits.
Well, 930, comma, 0, 0, 0. Yes.
Hold on. 930, 0, 0.